Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We're going to the Grand Canyon from the dam. Along the way you can see beautiful Joshua trees and the scenic views of the desert. There is shuttle service to every key point. We're going to the Skywalk at Eagle Point. Skywalk is a glass bridge. You can walk on the bridge with a view straight down to the canyon floor 4,000 feet below. Guano Point offers incredible sweeping views of the Grand Canyon. From here you can see the Colorado River.
They close. When that sun goes down, this thing explodes. Imagine getting stuck out here with no light. Alright, so in front of the bus here, you can see the canyon for the first time. Flat on top. That's because the water, this whole thing was underwater millions of years ago. That's what they say. If you want to, it's up to you. Yep, there's rafting tours, there's kayaking tours. You can see some of the kayaks down there. Yep. The water's super cold. It's hot outside, so kind of cool tours right now. All right, coming up to the straight. There are some hiking points. There are helicopter rides and zip line rides to the canyon. After taking in the Grand Canyon wonders, the bus will take us back along the desert landscape towards. The tour is perfect if you want a blend of natural wonders, cultural history, and adventure. So it's 277 miles long in total, everybody, Grand Canyon. 207. Sun goes over with them. They rotate over automatically. That's awesome, right? Where's my people at? Where's my nerdy people at?
I hope you liked this video. Like and subscribe.